The customer had an issue when his key stopped turning in the ignition on his 2002 Buick Rainier, so we had to replace it. But in order to do that, we needed to get the key to turn, otherwise the ignition won't come out. Then we had to assemble a new ignition to match his factory keys. That way his original keys works both the doors and the ignition. Once the new ignition is assembled and installed in the vehicle, we put the shroud back together and make sure everything is working like it is supposed to.